Nadia slipped up on live and said she's single.
I'm single though.
Even though she's allegedly still with JC. At the same time, Ida started linking with Troy after Eli popped out with Yanni, and people think it's just content like Troy did before with Nadia. But back to Nadia saying she's single. It looks like she might be trying to fix things with Ida, especially after people were calling her weird for leaving, even though they were basically married. When fans asked Ida about Nadia, she cleared it up, saying they're still together and even showed off her ring.
Nadia, I told y'all about Nadia. Here.
In my opinion, it looks like Nadia saying she's single might just be her way of trying to get back cool with Ida. Ever since Nadia got with JC, things haven't been right between her and Ida. And since Ida is still wearing Nadia's ring, it seems like they might still be together and could end up back on good terms. But at the same time, some people feel like Nadia was just lying, that she's not really single, and that she's not in love with anybody, just out here using people like coupons. What y'all think? Will Nadia and Ida work things out, or is more drama coming? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading them all.